How to hide balance on Revolut. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open and launch your Revolut application. And of course, you have to make sure that this one is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application. Once you're here, tap login. And then after that, you have to enter your email address or your phone number and then your password. And this is what it looks like. So what you want to do here is just simply go to the top left corner. You will see there your profile. Actually, you can add picture or not. Everything is up to you. So you can skip this option below and then proceed to tapping your profile. Now, once you tap your profile, under profile, you will see here options, help, account, learn, inbox, security, and privacy, notification settings, appearance, new features, about us, and log out. So you have to simply tap the security and privacy. So once you tap the security and privacy, you will see there an option hide balances with a flip. So what you're gonna do here is to just simply toggle this one on or turn this one on. So by flipping this, you can simply hide balances inside your Revolut. And that's it. That's how easy it is to simply hide balances with a flip gesture here on your Revolut account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.